Just how important is our understanding of weather, water, climate, atmospheric chemistry, the interactions between the sun and the earth? How do we in this country support basic and applied research? Harry S. Truman in 1950 created the National Science Foundation. The science development grants of the 60s resulted in the creation of the National Center for Atmospheric Research, or NCAR.
Fourmile Canyon. There's our house down there by the sign.
Funded by the National Science Foundation, studies the Earth's climate, past, present, and future, its impacts, the greenhouse effect, global warming, drought and wildfires, meteorology and the weather's effect on climate, hurricanes, tornadoes, and severe storms.
Alright, this is our road.
Pollution and air chemistry, the sun and space weather. Ming Pei, commissioned to design a building for the National Science Foundation's NCAR labs. The state of Colorado purchased the land, and from 1962 to 64, Ming Pei developed ideas, moving from a single-story tower to 3 5-story towers. He used brush-hammered concrete. Ming Pei's ancestry tracing back to the Ming Dynasty. Nurtured in the gardens of Suzhou.
Here's some damage on Boulder Canyon.
He felt the U.S. Air Force Academy was too detached from nature.
Very full.
And so he designed this building, and I came out to paint it and to draw it.
Here's what I'm liking up with.
And to think about the science and the importance of science in our world.
I had to smuggle it past the sheriff's office with 10 gallons of fuel.
And why we shouldn't be tearing down the institutions that brought us to this point.
Hey, there's a rock right in the middle of Boulder bike path. And up here, there's been another landslide.